Let me show you how to log into your Gmail on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted to add your email account, specifically Gmail, to your iPhone, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. We can add it directly to the email app within the settings by scrolling down to the bottom and tapping on Apps. And now from here, let's scroll down until we find the Mail app. There it is, tap on it. Now you can add it as a Mail app account on here, or of course you can always just go to the App Store and you can search for the Gmail app directly. So you can do one or the other, the default Mail app that's built into your iPhone, or you can just download and install the Gmail app. But let's say you wanted to use the built-in Mail app. We're going to tap on Mail Accounts. And then you can see my Gmail accounts already. I can hit add an account. And on here, it says enter your email address. Now, all you need to do is enter in an email address here. Let me enter it in. And it will automatically recognize if it is a Gmail account. So you can see I entered in my Gmail account and I can hit next here. And then it says enter in the password for that. So I can open up a browser. And it will just go through the process of entering in the password, or you can use the passkey. So I can use my face to authenticate this. Let's see if that'll work. Just like that. And I'll be able to add it onto my iPhone Mail app. So you can see you're signing back in, just hit the continue to add it. Now, after you've done that, you just need to open up that Mail app and you'll see all of those emails populate. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Again, it's the best way you can say thank you. Thank you.